Hi everyone, I'm Winnie Natlapu and welcome to my channel. My channel is about what I am going through in my life and what I learned from them. And in today's video, I would like to share some platforms and tools that I use to practice and learn more about data. There are multiple platforms that I used, and I will start from the easy and cost-friendly ones to the other ones that I may not be so familiar with. And so the first one is W3 Schools. It is a free platform, and I often use it to refresh my knowledge. So the way that I use this platform is by searching what kind of code that I want to use, and then it'll pop up a correct format of queries for me to be able to see how it might work. And you can also they also have give examples, and you can type your own queries. It's really simple to use for that platform. And another free one is Open Source Society University, and that is on GitHub, and it has actual agenda and curricular that you can follow, so you'll be able to have a really strong foundation knowledge about the topics that you are learning, for example data science or computer science, etc. I try to use Open Source Society University's resources, but it was quite long and you have to watch a lot of videos. I personally prefer to do a bit of code instead of watch a lot of videos. And so it comes to the next one, which is also my favorite one so far, is datacamp. So datacamp, as its name is, really specializing in learning for data. It provides not only the lab environment, it also have bite-sized learning that you can watch a bit of video, and then it'll talk you through the theories or what you're learning in a really precise way. Usually the video would take no longer than 5 minutes, and then it will follow by some practices. And if you can't complete the practices, you can also ask for hints, and then they'll give you examples and etc. To help you understand how this code can be applied. And after the courses, the modules often also include projects, so the projects will be even more enhanced way to help you understand how to complete the project using the code that you just learned. So I really like datacamp, but it's not cheap, so I usually have license with my company. And the next one I found quite useful in terms of you can practice a bit of code and also watch a bit of theory, is Snowflake. So if you are learning data, you might heard about Snowflake and Databricks. So these two platforms are really popular in the market at the moment. My company actually use Databricks, but so I don't actually have practical experiences with Snowflake. But when I was doing my learning, I found Snowflake's learning structure fit my preference a lot better. So it's also watch a little bit video or a little bit of guide, and then you'll be able to do practice afterwards. And obviously it'll be in Snowflake's lab environment, and you'll be able to create tables and etc. and blah blah blah. But as Snowflake is using SQL the most, you'll be able to understand it, how to code in SQL, and it wouldn't stop you if you just code slightly different and use it to queries, practice a few different queries, etc. It's just sometimes when you submit their test, you obviously need to be able to give them the answers that they want to proceed to the next round. And after you complete all these courses, you'll also get like a snowflake badge for a course completion as part of the certificate, as certification, etc. So I found that quite useful and will recommend if you are new to data to have a look. And then I want to quickly touch on a few platforms that I'm not such a fan of, but is also like really popular. And there are Coursera, edX, and Udemy, and also LinkedIn Learning. So a lot of companies switch their platforms to LinkedIn Learning now. LinkedIn Learning, I wouldn't say it's bad, but at the same time, as you're doing like data coding and technology, etc., LinkedIn Learning don't have a lab environment for you to practice your skills. So I personally not such a fan, but it still have really rich contents if you want to learn about certain topics in a really informative way. Coursera and edX, on the other hand, I found it useful in a way that you're actually following like university courses. I use edX to learn about data products and like tech product management. So that is something a touch on data, but you wouldn't do code there as well. But that like I said, if you're learning theory, they are great. But if you're learning how to code and practices, I would recommend probably datacamp and snowflake, and you can also do a little bit in W3 schools. And for people who already have experience with data or want a platform that have everything on, and when I say everything, it has like all data and tech learning resources and also different certification, learning, etc. Is QA platform. So on there, I know they have data engineering, software engineering, cloud engineering, blah blah blah. And you can also do all the Microsoft, AWS, Google, GCP certification courses there. I haven't done it myself. I only know of this platform because one of the previous senior manager in data science have recommended it, but it's the most expensive of all these different learning resources. But I'm thinking about investing in myself to use that platform one day. So if I actually do, I'll share my experience of that. That is a lot of resources that you can use to learn more about data and tech. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If there's any other resources that you found useful that I want to share with everyone, please also leave below in the comment. And if you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. And hopefully I'll be able to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.